What's the deal? What's the deal, chat? What's the deal, Green? What up, my boy? What's the deal? Where's my minus 3% for the day gang at? Where y'all at, everybody? Everybody in the house? Right? D Nice in here?
Ron, where are you? Where is Ron right now? No Ron, huh? Well, you better be sick, dead, or mute, Ron.
Yeah, I guess Aaron's not here, but everybody else is here. So, thank you for coming through. Yeah, we're back in business. There's a minus 5% up in here. I'm minus a little under 3% today. Like 2.5%, a little over 2.5. All good. All good. Oh, Shag Hennessy's office. Hell yeah. Don't you better not get in trouble today. I'm sending y'all straight to Shag Hennessy's office, alright? Oh yeah. Jay Quellen too. Jay Quellen going straight to Shag Hennessy's office. Right, Jay Quellen? Alright. Let's get into the breakdown here. As we're still in this range, it's a funny range, right? So we did close bullish, but it's like a doji type of bullish today, right? So a lot of indecision here, and I think we still have a chance to come down. So let's see what we can do, where we can get into positions. But let's have it be logical positions outside of the rejection areas where there's some clean ranges. I honestly think it has to be a range 2 breakout, regardless of which direction we head in today. So buys or sells. So ideally, I'd want us to start closing below this area on the hourly. And then create another resistance and a support below here. Right? Hey, do me a favor, can you turn Harry Potter down? No, like to 8, because I can't hear anything. I hear Harry Potter in my ear. Thank you. Yeah, sorry, kids are watching Harry Potter in the office here. Sorry, Harry Pothead. What you laughing at? That's not funny. All right. Yeah, this is episode 2 or 3. What is this? 2? 4? You're watching episode 4? Oh, you all do it. It's 3. So, oh, hold on, give me that. Lost on New York this morning. School though, Asian session now. That's right, yes. So let's see where we can get some sells for Asian, where we have some clean ranges on the hourlies. Okay, and that's I think going to be the break. It would be the daily flip. Break of the previous 4-hour here. Break of the previous 4-hour low. Let's see if we can get some 5-minute closures below there. Because the way I look at it, I'm still bearish because, oh wow, the weekly, I thought we broke, honestly, I thought we broke the weekly low, but we haven't broke the weekly low yet, right? I thought we broke the previous weekly low, so. We need to break the previous weekly low at 1804 here, and then I'm gonna have confirmation that we're heading down. Where's that? That would be like right here, right? This wick right here. Very interesting. Chat. Gonna look for sells once we start breaking down over here. Chat. All right, chat. Sorry, I had to tell my kids to be quiet. Otherwise, I'm kicking everybody out. Kicking everybody out. All right. We have levels. There's areas to come down here. I just don't want to trade anywhere in here. There's no clear, defined movement. If we can drive out of here, great. But for buys, in terms of buys, okay. That. on. It was hard to hear. Was it hard to hear? You can move it. You can move the chair. You want the chair? Want the chair over there? Yeah, you could take both chairs and move them up over there so you guys can hear him. Help her. All right. It'll be easier to watch. Take both chairs. All right, Mons. How are you? How are you, Kay? How's everything green? Why'd you choose 1811? Because 1811 chose me. Because that's the only clean movement here. Right? It's the only clear drop. And at that point, below 1811, we'll be breaking this support. We'll be driving on the 4 hour. See, the 4 hour closed back in range, back down here. But I need smaller time frame confirmations to tell me where I'm going to take positions. You need the hourly below here. Maybe if we get the hourly below there. Right, if we can get the hourly closed below this area. But this area on the 5 is, do you see how much play is here on the 5? Where are you going to reject here? So that's how I'd rather come down, and yeah, I'm not even going to trade this right here. Thing is, on the 5 and the hourly over here below this level, we seem to respect it and come down. Right. At least 10 pips here. Advantage point, fill the range for 18. I think this was yesterday's trade over here. Right? This is the same range we traded yesterday. Yeah. Let the wait begin. We just got off work. I'm here. Drop a like, sub to the channel, everybody. Why is it showing? It's showing me only 103 watching. That can't be right, right? Let's see. Oh, 300 something. I don't know why it's not updating. I moved it to below that low at 795. Not sure, but okay. Why are you taking buys at 1816, not at 1817? 1816.67. That's only like 2 pips away from 1817. What's 18? What's the difference here? Here. Might be right. I don't know. Let's check. Yeah, I don't consider any of this a play anymore. Right, disrespect. Oh, no, it did close. Yeah, 1817.2 might be better. I just honestly, I put it there. I'm not planning on looking at buys. I really didn't think we're getting anywhere with buys today. I mean, anything's possible. Look where we're stuck within this 45 pip range. I know it looks massive. It's only 45 pips here. Wix9, what happened with your trade this morning? I managed risk but was down 5%. I lost 56 pips this morning. Roughly 2.5, maybe 3% of my account. Who that? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm texting somebody and talking through the mic like they hear me. You can cough. Cough it out. Cough it out. You needed to cough? Go. Word. Barbecue at Glenn's house. L 30 days no L's about time. Yeah, I forgot it happened. I forgot it happened. Small group tonight, only seen 75 watching. No, there's 350 on here. I don't know, something's with YouTube. It was showing me on 100 watching a second ago before I refreshed. Gold's going to continue down. Yeah, that's what I'm expecting that. Wix, where you from? Right near the beach, boy. We don't have any news, do we? So we good. We're also not trading in this range. How do you manage to understand the lines and drawing skills? It's knowledge guided by experience. We just rolled Khalifa Kush and fresh baked blunt. Well, we wait to collect some money on gold or GJ.
The smoke got me. I got bronchitis.
Can't be smoking right now. Smoke got me. I was thinking 1 hour close below 1813 is to sell. Yeah, I'm looking at that too. I was just about to put it up. So if the 1 hour does close below here, I might be looking on the higher time frame for the sell. Where can we grab like this was a good area right now that we came up to and grab liquidity, right? These see this here, had these wicks here. So if we come up to this area here, I don't mind. Ideally, we come up here to drive down, but a wick in there, right? If we can wick in there, up and respect this area, it'd be great. But this is good. This is good for me. Look, it's perfect. Last time we came here and rejected, drove down, came here, rejected, drove down. So we're doing now. And if we can close below here on the hourly, chances are we'll continue driving down. I'm just debating on how we're going to be closing here, and because we got the last half hour of this 4 hour running, and this is going to be here. This is going to be key here on the 4 hour. We really, ideally, we want this 4 hour to close below here. Yeah, because it closed there. So let's look at this. The 4 hour, we need to close back below this area. Oh, that's a shitty drawing. Sorry. Right here. That's where we need the 4 hour to close. As long as it closes below there and stays below there, we should have some volume for the next hour or two to come down, break these lows, and keep driving. If it stays above there, we might just, range for the session. You in position right now? No. It's going to be a Titanic drop. Titanic took a long ass time to drop. Oh, not really. Relatively fast, but longer than our session. I'm not sitting here for 2 hours. For 2 more hours. Yeah, yesterday we sat for a while. We had a late trade yesterday. Do you not use indicators? I do. We use the EYES indicator and these candlesticks that are printed on the screen. Going to Vegas someday. Someday we'll be back there. I went to Vegas and lost 4K. Shit, I turned on the New York live stream and lost 4K. Go figure. It's all right. It's all right. We'll be back tomorrow. Lost more than 4K. I'm gonna go make a drink. Be right back. I got the liquidity right here. How you doing, Wix? I'm well. What does your name mean? What is that? Awakened spirit, right? That means awakened spirit in Russian. I know it. I have eyes 2.0 indicator. Works really well. Word. How much did you get that for? How much for your eyes 2.0? How many rubles for the eyes 2.0 indicator? Casinos are too small of a market to gamble. Hey, do me a favor. Close the door to my office. Thank you. You guys watching? No. Yep, we're flipping here. Ah, this flipping 4 hour. What's the deal? Magic noodle. This sounds like this 4 hour candle right here. This is the magic noodle right here. And this is the magic noodle. Nice 2.0 given to me at birth, where it was a birthday gift. Yeah. Lala, do me a favor. Close my office door. Thank you. I can't wait for Don Vo's next session. Straight up. Wagwan Mayu. CPI for CNY and PPI. Any action will happen related to these news? No. I was thinking that trading is easy, but now it's a different story. Welcome, my friend. Welcome to the other side. Welcome to the rabbit hole, and it goes deep. Take the red pill, and I'll show you how deep the rabbit hole goes. Flipped here. Flip here on a 4-hour. Last 15 coming up, right? Hourly's driving down. Yeah, I'd expect this. Honestly, I think we've rejected here. This was the top wick for us to grab liquidity and momentum for us to continue driving the rest of the week now. How many Zoots you smoking? So I got a Zoots waiting for me outside. Patience here, chat. If this 4 hours driving, right? Ideally, we wanted to fill the wick down, right? This previous 4 hour. We want this filled, and we want the 4 hour driving all the way down here. We want it closing bearish. We want a big drive in this range, and we want to miss it, but we want it just to have an indication that we are bearish, to know that we're going to head down tonight in this session. Once you establish when you're heading down, right, then you can start playing for it. But right now, it's not here yet. Okay, it's not a big deal. Okay, it's I'll put it right back to it. Huh? You could go back. You could click back. Remember I taught you, click back and it's gonna go back to that. Yeah, that's it. That was the movie. We just watched Harry Pothead 4. And we're gonna watch The Cannabis of Azkaban later. Wix, did you also watch lots of streams when you started, or there weren't any then? No, there wasn't any streams, but when they started popping up, like when Roger came about, I was on his streams for a little while. For a little while, I'd say roughly like 2 to 3 months I spent on Roger's streams. Not the same. Not the same. Things went south real quick there. Yeah, that guy, John. I keep seeing the same levels of support and resistance as you, but I add 3 or more in between. That limits my entries. TPs, any tips? No lows really matter? Yeah. Try to go to the ones that are higher time frame and smaller time frame at the same time, where they fall in line together. And then look at the levels that you drive. from? Coming down, coming down. Let's see if we get some closures down here. Wicks, I doubt you'll get such a big move at this time to fill the gap. I could be wrong, but I wouldn't think so. It's not big. I don't. You guys, it looks big on chat here. This is. It's 30 pips here, all the way to this level down from our current price. This whole thing is 40 pips. You add Nightbot to do TV, then TV link. I can add on Nightbot. I gotta do it. I've been lazy. Becoming consistent and profitable are two different things, both of which are going to be very person to person. Absolutely. Very good point. Nightbot coming soon. Green, you know how to fuck with Nightbot? Uh-oh, hold on, chat. I hear my kids flipping out on each other. Let me go break it up. Give me a sec, chat. One thing I'll say, chat, is if you really want to become a streamer, hold off on the kids. Hold off on the kids. What do you mean with consistent? Sticking to the rules, emotions to the chart? No, I mean, at some point you'll consistently start winning, but you still won't be profitable because you'll still have a lot of money that you're negative. Right? Profitable means consistently making all the money back that you've lost or spent learning the craft, and then spending a good amount of time, maybe like a year or two, not losing at all. Then you're profitable. Where's their mom? She's over there. She has a fever. Their mom has a fever. You can't be saying you're profitable. Meanwhile, you're down 100 racks. Right? Let's say you've lost 100 racks learning, and now you've been consistent, and now you're only down 50 racks, right? You can't be like, oh, I'm profitable, I won 50 racks. No, you're still down 50. Look for 4-hour candle closure below previous 4-hour candle and then 5-minute structure, correct? Or nah? We want all the time frames to close below. So we want the 4-hour to close below, the 4-hour level, which was here, right here, 1813.68. And it's doing that right now, right? And then it's going to pull up, grab more liquidity on the next 4-hour. And we also wanted the hourly to close below here. And if that happens, we want the 30 closing below this area. Right here, 1812.410. And we want all the time frames to align here below 1811.656. Once they all align over there, I will take the cleaner sells down. Right now, we can just reject anywhere within these areas. Look at all these wicks. All these rejection wicks previously to the upside, right? We're in this area of rejection here. Once we're out of there, once we're below all of that, I'll be more comfortable with sells. I was down 10K, now I'm at 8K, so I'm far from profitable. Yeah, basically, same idea. Why is there a Moroccan internal convo in chat? I don't know. No Sputnik in the chat, please. Keep it to English. No, I didn't watch the press conference. Hey, Wix, you related to Johnny Depp. I take a number 9, number 45, number 7, one with cheese. Oh yeah, I was the stunt double for Johnny Depp in the Pirates of the Caribbean. I can't believe you didn't see me. You didn't see me? Yeah. I've seen this. The stunt double for Johnny Depp. Yeah. A lot of times. I'll have 2 number 9, a number large. A lot of times. Oh, why can't I do the volume here? 2 number 9, a number 9 large, a number 6
two number 45s, one with cheese and a large soda.
Yeah, that was one of the outtakes, you know? That was right from the movie. I don't know why they went with Johnny Depp instead of me. Ya no speak English? Some English? Who are you?
Wait a minute! Who are you? Chat, drop a like, sub to the channel. Let's see. Oh, my viewers aren't going up. I don't know why. YouTube's not telling me. It's not updating my viewership. What's the deal, YouTube? Alright. You guys are gonna get fucking timed out if you keep talking. Fucking. Yo. My ass needs a Rosetta Stone to understand you. You're gonna get blacklisted on here. Alright, chat, 4-hour closed. That's right, no bottom wick here, and we close respecting this support here. So, honestly, I'd expect us to range here and come back up on the next 4-hour. If for any wild reason we do come down here, I mean, we'll be ready. We're still bearish here. 4-hour did close bearish. It just no wick, no bottom wick here on the 4-hour. Realistically, like that's not a wick. That's not range. But let's see what happens. Okay, 1% to trade, so 60 euro per trade because you're maybe time payers are more experienced. AK after the loss. Today I currently have 6. You took a 2k loss, so you took a 25% loss today. It's not okay to take a 25% loss. You should be risking $60, not, or 60 euros, not 2k, not 2,000 euros. How many tickers? I trade one pair. I only trade gold. That's way more than 1%. Yeah, it's a quarter. Ready and sell, man. Good luck. Looks where you would be stops just to calculate what size should I pop. Pop where? I'm not sure what you guys are trading. What's your idea? I'm not like I don't have a plan to trade here yet. Num 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 num. For 8 cap, the 4-hour candle is yet to close. Yeah, you're on different rollover time, so your broker closes at a different time, rolls their daily candle over at a different time. That's all it is. But everything below the everything 1 hour and below will be the same. So it's all right.
I didn't know that. Learn something new every day in your live stream. Yeah. Perfect. That's awesome. That's the whole point. To learn something every day. Get some value out of this. When does the 4-hour close on the broker? An hour later. So on TD, the rollover time is 8 p.m. So it closes. You have 8, 12, 4. That's what it is. So it would be an hour earlier. The TD 4-hour. Oh, hold on. Let me go to the TD 4-hour right now. It's 2 hours. What? Oh, it's daylight savings. That's why. So for the next 2 weeks, or for these 2 weeks, it's going to roll over differently. It rolls over at 11 and 7 and 11, right? But it'll be 8 and 12 once the time evens out. So right now it's a 2-hour difference, right? Yeah, but typically it's 1 hour. For 2 weeks a year, it's a 2-hour difference in rollover times for the brokers. Because the daylight savings time goes into effect at different times in different parts of the world. But it doesn't depend on the MT5 or TradingView, it just depends on the broker. In this case, you guys see Oanda here on TradingView, and your broker is whatever it is, whatever your broker is. Hold on, let me. My kids are wilding out right now. Hold on. I don't know what I would do without Forex. Chat. Forex has taught me so much patience that my kids are lucky that I went through a bunch of years of Forex, because honestly, me probably like 10 years ago would have snapped on them. Yeah, lucky that Daddy went to Forex training. I went to the Forex boot camp, Forex training. I'm a hardcore Forexer. Boot camp, Forex training. Oh wait, sorry, echo. Having kids taught me patience, to be honest. Yes, it has taught me patience, but Forex has taught me patience toward my kids. Cause you know it'd be like before Forex, shit. If I heard some noise right now, I'd be like, yo, you know what? Where's my belt? Looks, will you ever teach them how to trade? No, I will not. But the older one asked me today. She asked me today to teach her. Honestly, you and Don are really patient. I always wait for closures because of you. Awesome. Get her on stream. I'm trying to. I just got them all to bed. They're all pretending to be sleeping right now. Because I walk out there, like they're not in bed. They're all next to the beds, like playing around. And as soon as I walk out, they're all like hop into bed real quick. Not because they're scared, but because they want to show me that they're already in bed and they're ready for me, and they want me to be proud of them, right? Not because they're like, oh my God, Dad's coming, he's gonna whoop our ass. No. They want me to be proud of them, so they're all trying to impress me. They're all like, oh, we'll get in bed. I know what they're doing. Hey, Zip Zip, what's the deal? The trade earlier was unlucky. I was watching Don's stream back and it looked solid, but guess it was just one of those ones. Execution was perfect though. Honestly, I think we just, like, can I be honest about the morning trade? There was a small resistance we bought into. There's a resistance here. We should have had a better eye. Not perfect. See this? We kind of disregarded this right here at 1824.1. We should have, this is what we should have waited for right here. We should have waited for 1824.07.1 to break. It just, sometimes after being on the charts for 4 to 5 hours, it happens. And because of all the talk and all the noise that happens in the chat, it happens. But we should have waited. That's just my honest, objective opinion on this morning. This was the level that we should have waited to break. It's just no one's perfect, right? I think it's not like a bad mistake. It's just like a mental. It wasn't even a breakdown, right? Like you didn't fuck up, you didn't manage it wrong. It's just didn't recognize something, didn't notice it. Like, you know, that happens. Like sometimes you just don't recognize something. That's how, you know, I'll mark some things up. Sometimes I'll tell you guys, oh, good eye, somebody's seen that. Like, and it makes sense. And I just think going back, that just made a lot more sense for the buys, and I'm sure Don would agree. Wasn't around, but was interested to watch back all the same, and now something to add to that. Thanks. Yes, sir. Yeah, I totally was feeling that. That's why we lost. Watch the candles. No, I mean, there's a lot of noise. Bro, the reason is like the main thing is we recognize what the reason is, and it's not because our strategy is fucked up. There was a solid reason for it, right? Just pay attention. Be more attentive next time. Feel like you mentioned it on stream. I mentioned the level, right? But I didn't. Still took the trade, right? So my mentioning of it was irrelevant apparently. How did you find out about trading? Somebody that used to work for me quit their job, and he literally was like, dude, I found this trading thing, so I quit. And then he showed it to me. I was like, what? That's crazy. How's he doing? He shows up. You know what? He still shows up sometimes to this YouTube. He always sends me like really uplifting messages. It's pretty dope. He's always like, yo, I see what you're doing. I see how far you've come. Like, it's pretty dope because he's the one that got me into it, right? He used to work for me. And then he quit and just took up trading and had his own group, and now he shows up to this stream once in a while and he's like, yo, shout out to you for taking it this far, taking trading this far. So it's dope. He's like very supportive. I speak to him once in a while. You guys will see him show up to Don's stream in the morning sometimes. How old is he and how old I don't know how old he was. I think he was a little bit younger than me. He was working for me. But I was 33. Point him out when he shows up. I did. I've pointed him out many times when he was on here or on Don's stream. You been to Cali? Yeah, but last time I've been to Cali was a long, long time ago. I was a teenager the last time I went. It's a good point, Kay. A lot of people are losing because they're revenge trading, right? They're holding grudges on their trades instead of just having a short memory. And I forgot already about the morning trade, right? Like, I got pretty short memory. But that doesn't mean that this morning I didn't try to figure out, was there a valid reason we lost, or it was just something about our strategy. And there was a valid reason, which is what I just pointed out. And what's the definition of letting age stop you from learning? Yeah. My parents were the definition of never letting age stop you from learning. My parents were deep into their 40s when we came to this country, right? And they started off with zero and built themselves into something, right? Get yourself some good role models, chat. Not some flashy ones, right? But some good role models. Wix, would you ever create a Forex course? No, you guys already have everything you need. Don has shown you our views on the market. I agree with 99.9% of what Don does, right, on the charts. So he's given that to you. Why would I take the same audience and provide them with the same thing? Why just take your money? No, go pay Don. And I agree with his course. You guys need nothing else. Whatever he's done already, you guys need nothing else. He's provided this platform for all of you, and you guys need nothing else. You don't need any extra content from me. I mean, it's dope, right? But you don't need any extra uh, Forex content, I guess, or Forex breakdowns from me, Forex courses. It's relevant. He's far outdone what anyone's in the industry has done. So, and there's a lot of value there. So I just would not do it, but I would host, like I said, I will eventually will get there. I will host some private sessions, Zoom sessions where everybody can speak and we can talk, and it won't necessarily be always just nonstop trading, but you'll have access to me. Need to make a podcast, yeah. Gotta have some time for a podcast, right? Fear and greed takes more money out of traders' account than anything. Greed. People are greedy, yeah. Greed. I concur. Hey, Felix in the house with 199. We're gonna start this again. We're gonna start the pettiness today. Trying to start something. Felix over there just fucking stirring the pot, right? Stirring the pot over there. Got two hands on the thing. It's Felix right now. Yo, what's the hey? What? Vince in the house with the $2 donos. What up, Vince? Vince came in here, said, "Yo, hold my Cash App." Yo, what? Get the thumbprint for my Where's Diego right now? Where Diego's on the phone with his accountant going, "Hey, can we add a few more zeros to that dono?" We can? All right, cool. Hold on. Diego's on the phone with his accountant trying to get these donos approved. Great music. Which artist did this? Is Harris Heller. Harris Heller. AK201. Let the pettiness continue. I love it. Do I hear 202? 202 in the chat. Green's like, you know I had half of that 201 with K, right? Hey, Alterize 299. How's it going? How are you? I appreciate you. All the all the mod nominees are donating. The former mod winners and the current nominees are up here donating. You looking for buy or sell, dude? I'm looking for sells when we get below this area, and if we, for some weird chance in hell, decide to drive up 50 pips here in the next 15 minutes, then we'll look for buys. I'd like to stay long, but broke my leg, is killing me from Monday surgery. Time for some pills and some Z's. Catch up tomorrow. Well, here's what you do, Glenn. Up the dosage. No, I'm kidding. Take the pills and hang out, right? And see how long it takes for the pills to sink in. And if they start hitting before we take a trade, then you go. But if they're not hitting yet and we get a trade going, don't fucking take that trade anyway, because they're going to start hitting during the trade and some shit's going to go down. 501 to beat green. You guys are fucking incredible. Love you guys. I just finished watching a webinar, Teach Me Trading Psychology. 1000K for learning what you do in this stream. And it's free, right? Eric P said, keep it up. Yeah, yeah. Love the vibes. Right? You guys love showing up to this stream because we're a fucking vibe, baby. Yeah. We don't get a trade, we get some value. That's what the V in devious stands for. On the real though, thank you guys for showing up. Consistently over 420. So, thank you guys for... stands for rally. No more challenges. Diego's somewhere right now. Diego? Where in the world is Diego? Somebody wake him up. Somebody dial up Diego. Thanks for hosting. Absolutely. Ayo. He's with Dora, yeah. Probably. Diego, where you at? What's the deal, Dill? If you donate more after me, Forex gods will never make you profitable. I guess we'll never know. Or will they? I think he means if you donate less after me, Forex gods will never make you profitable. If you donate less after me. So you have to donate more. Cutting off Wix's cash flow. Word. What the fuck was that? How you just gonna pay to shut everyone up? He paid to tell people not to pay. You can't do that, Dill. Just want to have the highest donation, 502. Do I hear a 503? Is there a 503 coming up? You guys make me laugh. Well, this would be a dreadful stream if there was no satire at all, right? If we didn't have satire and a sarcasm as part of our, that's what the S in devious stands for, actually. We are really awesome. Felix, I think cat lux are stock. Almost 8K. Yo, we might get 8K today. Can we get 8K on stream? Chat, drop a like. Sub to the channel. We're 60 subs away, I think, from 8K. On our way. I mean, if we're not going to win today, if we're not going to take a trade, we might as well just get some subs, right? Let's grow the community. Let's fucking take advantage of the YouTube algo. Can you make me my money back, please? TC Trades New York 503. Let the pettiness continue. People do it to spite you. Yes. Welcome to the Wix9 Asian Session live stream on YouTube, where we donate in spite. Right? Shit. I'd donate my life savings to prove a point. What up for GJ, bro?
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Pray for that man. Pray for that man. Oh shit, we done played the whole album. Missing a lighter. Missing a lighter, chat. Oh, y'all thought it was over? Nah, this is just the drop. Goodbye music? No, it's not. It's not. We still have another half hour here to see if we can get something going, and if we can't, then we won't. But just a little wake up, a little refresher for you guys, right? You guys can, start moving. Wanna light up, bruh, but I don't puff inside. Yeah? Make an adjustment. But do you really do this? Do you really do this? Hey, ATL in the house. As Tanisha learns, one more cent and you can get yourself a dime bag. Straight cheese. That's true. Thanks, Swix, for all that you do, man. And Dill, Forex gods, do what now? Thank you for the dono. Appreciate it. I appreciate everyone. Thank you guys for donating and creating the vibes in here and showing up every day and being consistent and trying to help yourself, right? I love the fact that people are showing up and they're trying to take responsibility, the raw responsibility that trading puts on you, and helping yourself, right? At some point, you guys are going to have to go through life as adults and as people that others look up to and as others look to for answers and guidance, right? As you get older, you're going to have to be a guide. So try to absorb as much info as you can to become a better guide for when it is your turn. Okay? That's all it is. Life's just a cycle here. What time frame do you mark up your charts? On all time frames. We do a top-down analysis as we come in here, and we utilize every single time frame known to man, known to MT4, MT5. We go down from the weekly, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, 35, all of that. Appreciate you. Well, I appreciate you too. Thank you for being glamorous. You guys are all glamorous. Thank you for showing up here. 30-minute celery play. Can you check it? Not sure if I understand celery. 30 celery. If you break the lows, yeah, it's a celery play, but it's not really a Wix special. What's up? Oh, God bless you. Okay. Eat? What'd you eat? McDonald's? Who got you McDonald's? You got a toy in there? Yeah? Well, go play for now. K Stafford Eunice. Hey, leave Kay alone. She was on stream this morning. Kay was on stream at like 3 a.m. Been sell since 1818. New York City. New York City. Damn, you just been holding all day. Looking at charts all day. Right, Vince? At some point, you're gonna have to close. Appreciate you answering for sure, Anthony. Thou shalt Forex. Thou shalt Forex. It's part of the Ten Commandments for sure. Thou shalt Forex. Oh, there's two Vinces here. It's Vince and Vince FX. It's a battle of the Vinces. Glad to have both of you on here. It's awesome. Hi. Any of you on GJ?
Ain't nobody got time for that.
You ever been in a dream that you know you were dreaming, Wix? Yes. And I woke up and I got back into it. I was like, nah, I gotta get back into the fucking dream, yo. And I closed my eyes and I was right back in that dream. And then I got woken up again. And I was like, nah, I'm going right back to that dream. And for some reason, when I awoke, it was a standing ovation. People were clapping. Thank you, Kay. It's very profound. Anything about full margin? No, but there's something about RR. Know your Bible, chat. But if you don't know your verses, Wick's gonna show up to your house on a Sunday morning. Talk about, have you found Jesus? Any GJ? Looks tonight or tomorrow?
How about no?
Christian Forex group. You can start a Christian Forex church. Why you need a group? You can start a whole fucking congregation. We could, like, what? You get a stadium. Christian Forex group. No. Get a Christian Forex church. You start doing the online, you're doing the early Sunday morning TV special. Right? One channel you got Joel Osteen. The other channel you have Kay Stafford. Joel Osteen, Kay Stafford. It's not even a, what? Church of St. Wicks. Incredible, right? Praying to our Holy Mother of Forex. Word. Just reading the Candlestick Bible for everybody. Weddings too. Now, how are these done? Are these PowerPoint weddings? This Forex wedding PowerPoint? I ended up salvaging Don's losing trade. I took a sell upon exiting the buy all the way down to fill the range with that hour high as my stop. My loss ended up being only half of what it was. You know what? I heard a couple of people did that today. Not what I would do, but I heard a few people do that. Alex, how are you? I'm well. How are you? I hope you're not unwell. Perfect, because I do divorce litigation. I want half. Half. And back down we go. Chad, I know I don't say this enough. Thank you. Thank you for being here. I know we're ranging. We've been ranging for a couple of weeks before we had some nice movement yesterday back into the range, but since we came back into this range, we've kind of been stuck in it. 1 hour respecting the range would be lovely. Yeah, I honestly, like, I don't want to say this, but I don't think we're going to have many trades today. I come here always for the vibe. Love it. I love that you love it. It's awesome. I'm in a wheelchair. My friend puts his stream, so I gotta watch it, but good value nonetheless. Why are you in a wheelchair, bro? Who did you take the wheel? Can you go back and give the wheelchair to whoever you took it from? That's fucked up. Stop stealing wheelchairs. Vibe check. I'm good. Word. Glenn over there crawling to the bed right now. Perked out. Looking for a wheelchair. Somebody help Glenn. Somebody check on Glenn. Beer J's? That's not even, like, why would you even ask that? Cannabis, of course. Y'all terrible. Word, Chad. How can you trade? You guys are all happy, and people are fucking dying right now. There's a guy on medication struggling to find his feet right now. And some asshole stole his wheelchair. You guys. I'm not bringing any of you to the hospital, ever. Yeah, Glenn looking for his feet right now. And if he took my advice and upped the dosage, Glenn's not gonna find his feet till at least Thursday. Poor Glenn. Yes, Kay. Poor Glenn. chat. I think my kids are crying. Hold on, let me check. I was right. The 3-year-old had a cold, and the 10-year-old was on top of the bunk bed, looking to put the people's elbow on him. I walked in just in time. Tagged all 3 of them out. The opening ceremony of First International Pakistan Army Tear Gas Competition was held at Canal Road today. Tear gas competition? Get the fuck out of here. Five national teams are participating in a tear gas competition near a canal road. Get the fuck out of here! Yo! You got this on video? You're lying right now. Yeah, I need footage. Am I joining the tear gas competition?
It's definitely a no for me, dog.
But I gotta see it. New low for humanity. Word.
Stop it. Get some help.
Fucking tear gas competition. That's crazy. My eyes are tearing just from hearing about this. The crazy thing is they found 5 national teams to do this. And 2 army teams. I mean, right? Because they, like, what? They don't really ever compete or fight, right? What do? The extent of their competition is standing on the Pakistani-Indian border and doing weird dances. Outside of that, there's no battles. Yeah, like, you know what? We're just gonna tear gas each other and see who can handle it. That sounds like fun. Is there like a pretend riot during the competition to make it feel like it's really happening, or is this just like awkward spraying each other with tear gas? You watch any other assets like the dollar, maybe for indication on gold? No, because the dollar here is in this pair. It's reflected on here. No, we don't need to watch. We don't need the DXY. We watch this. Tear gassing popular political leaders rally. Oh, that makes sense. Your turn? Word. I'd be like, let me go first. Shh. Your turn. Nah, you know what? I had this thing I had to do. I think I'm just gonna go. I had this thing I had to take care of. I had these cheeks. Oh, why are you coming in here like you're Kramer from Seinfeld? You're 3. You can't slam the door open like that. Chat, hold on. My 3-year-old ran in here like Kramer and from Seinfeld just. What the hell? Basic training, they put you in a small room with tear gas, force you to breathe it in while spelling your name, and saying your social security number. Nah, dog, that's when they kidnap you and it's called identity theft. That ain't no basic training. That's cartel kidnapping your ass and trying to get your info. Give it up. Give them the mother's maiden name, your favorite pet, where you met your spouse, your first grade teacher's name. Give them everything. I don't give a damn. Your social security, grandma's social security, Jesus' social security, you give them everybody's. What? That ain't basic training. That's fucking getting kidnapped in Mexico. That's crazy. You know Wick's been kidnapped in Mexico. No, they can't kidnap me, you know. They run up on me, I'll be like, hey, where are we going? It's a party, huh? Cartel not playing this year for sure. Talk about what's your social security number. Kidnap me, I kidnap you. It'd be pointless to kidnap me. I'd be like, you know what? I know a guy that's a lot better to kidnap, but we're gonna have to cross 2 borders to get his ass. Take him straight to Don Vo's house. Kidnap him, put him in a basement in Mexico with the best fucking Wi-Fi ever. Put some cuffs on him and tell him to trade. Strap him to the seat. Shut up and trade. Alright, y'all, it's about that time. Yep, pretty much. Donvo cage match. I don't know. We're not fighting each other. I'm gonna be on his side. I'm gonna be on Don's side. I'm being Don's corner going like, look, you're getting your ass whooped. I think I should throw in the towel. K's out. Appreciate you, K. Thank you for showing up. See you in the morning. See you tomorrow. We're gonna call it here in 3 minutes. We're gonna run the full 2 hours and call it. Oh, more Sputnik in the chat. You guys need to go to fucking apply to United Nations for a job. Some shit. Day to K, good night K. K gets more good nights than I do. That was green. Damn, you know Kay meant that shit. She just snapped right there. I don't know what she just said, but she meant that shit. I don't know what word has 2 J's in it, but if it's got 2 J's in it and the rest are vowels, that's some scary shit. She meant that, motherfucker. She needed an exclamation point at the end of that sentence. I wonder, is way for an English speaker to understand that weird text? Absolutely not. How's stream been going? I just got home. Well, you're late. We're closing the stream. We're gonna call it a session here in about a minute, in about 30 seconds. See what happens here. We're gonna close bullish here on this hourly, but still respecting, right? Still respecting this most recent resistance. So maybe the next hour or two we can start heading down and have more positions. Sleepy? Everyone's sleepy. Oh, we just had a dip in viewers. What was that? That was weird. Yep, chat, we're gonna call it here. We had the hourly close, closed bullish, but respecting resistance, so we might still come down. Wait for London, wait for New York for more precise, clean, much more clean price action, because right now you're just ranging. Thank you, mods. Green, K. Thank you everyone else for showing up and making this a vibe. And thank you for all the donos. Thank you for all the pettiness in the donations today. I love it. I love it. The pettiest donation stream on YouTube. I'm gonna outdo him by a penny. Appreciate y'all. Thank you for showing up. And I will see you guys same time tomorrow, right? 8 p.m. Eastern. Don't forget, tomorrow's hump day. Oh, wait, no, today's hump day. So, tomorrow's Thursday. Join us tomorrow for the final Asian session stream of the week. Yeah, tomorrow's Thursday. Once again, happy International Women's Day to everyone that's a woman, to all the ladies in the house, and to my wife if she's watching. Outside of that, and yeah, I know it's the 9th already in Asia, but oh well. Assuming it's the 8th where I'm at. So I can still say it. And we will see you tomorrow. Same time, same place. Thank you very much, everybody. Thank you for joining us. Oh, and we'll be on live at 6:30 a.m. Eastern on Don's channel as well. Don't forget that. So drop a like, sub to the channel before you leave, turn on notifications. This way you know when we're on. And hasta la pasta. Have a good night, everybody.
Wow, I feel good.